Hey everybody, welcome back to Lauren and Brandon's podcast. Today we're talking everything college move-in.
So what should you bring to college?
I think you should bring shower shoes, perhaps a shower caddy, a trash bag, trash can, clothes, shoes, definitely something to store your snacks in, something to store your clothing in, pillows, blankets, sheets, pencils, your backpack, some paper, maybe a laptop if you have one, an iPad, a TV, a mini fridge, a microwave, a toaster if that is something that not a toaster, and then maybe a coffee machine if that's something you're into, definitely some extra cash.
5 hours later.
What are some things that you definitely shouldn't bring to IC for your first year dorm?
Candles, mopeds, anything that can start a fire.
An air fryer, perhaps?
Don't bring an air fryer.
Don't bring an air fryer.
Thanks for tuning in to Lauren and Brandon's Illinois College Move-In Day College Podcast. Have a good one.